Hey everyone, it's Logan, and today we are here at White Rock Park in St. Paul, Indiana. And this place is basically just a massive water sports thing with 2 zip lines, a rope swing, and a couple cliff jumping platforms, the highest being 30 feet. And my heart is starting to pound, probably even more than bungee jumping, honestly, because bungee jumping, you can't really mess that up that wrong. This one, you really can. But we're probably gonna do it from the least scary thing, which is the zip line, and go all the way up to the 30-foot jump. So I'm hyped.
I'm really excited, but I'm a little bit nervous, but it's gonna be really fun.
All right, let's get into it. And I forgot to mention in the intro, but this is actually a rock quarry, and it's 120 feet deep. People usually scuba dive down here, so there's no way you can hit the bottom. So, okay, wait, Billy. After you're done with the barrel, help pull this back. All right, first activity of the day, the zip line. Here we go. Dude, that was sick. It actually felt pretty cool hitting the water from that high. It's a pretty unique experience, so. All right, whenever you're ready.
Billy, thoughts?
That really hurt my hands. This was really fun though.
That was fun, but that kind of hurt a little bit.
Hurt your hands or hurt your body?
It hurt my hands. It didn't hurt at all to land. The landing actually felt kind of good. All right, so this man has actually cliff jumped before off of that 20-foot cliff where, I don't know where. Another one. Let's see if he does any better. Here we go. Beautiful.
Holy crap.
All right, our first platform of the day. I don't know if this is the 10 or 20 feet one, but I'm not backing out of this. Let's go. Yeah! 3, 2, 1. So we originally thought that one way back there was 20 feet, but apparently that was 15 and this is actually 20. And it makes sense because this thing's huge. We'll jump off it in a little bit. All right, so this is the official 20-foot one. All right, let's do this thing. Oh my God, okay, here we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. You do it. Boom.
Yeah, do it. It's fine. Is he okay?
Bruh.
Okay, so going to the big one. Oh my God, there's a lot of people climbing up all of a sudden. Whatever. It still doesn't seem like as much as last time. Yeah. All right, so that is it for our visit here at White Rock. This has been like one of my most terrifying yet fun experiences I've had in a while. Please consider hitting that like button because this was like terrifying to make, but I'm just so glad we came. There was so much to do and I'm just so hyped right now.
I can't really hear right now because there's so much water in my ears, but it was really fun going off the 30-foot, and the zip line was sick, and it was terrifying, just jumping into water. Yellow.
So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. We'll see you guys later.
We'll bravely jump on.
Yellow.